Good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about format menu. See here, format menu is there now. So I am going to discuss about format menu. Okay. So what is format menu? What type of options it contains? These are all things we'll discuss in this video. First of all, click on format menu. Format menu contains row height, column width, hide and unhide the rows and columns, rename the sheet, tab colors, protect the sheet. These are all things it contains. So we'll discuss one by one. First of all, how to increase the row height and column width. See here. Column width. Increase the column width. How to increase the column width? So I am going to enter some text here. Hello. Hello, good morning. Like that I entered the text here. So actually this text, see here, this text occupies two cells, A cell and B cell. A cell and B cell. It occupies two text, but it has to be in one cell. Okay, but it has to be in one cell, but it occupies two cells. In that case, I want to increase the column width. How to increase the column width? We will see. There are so many types are there to increase the column width. I will explain step by step. First one, just to put the cursor here. Okay, the cursor shape will be like that. After then, double click on it. Immediately the column width is increased. See here, the column width is increased like this. Just double click on it. The column width is increased. Once again I am telling, just put the cursor here like that. The cursor shape will be like that and double click on it. Immediately the column width changes like that. Again, type 2. Good morning. Good morning. I entered the text like this. So it is also occupies two cells. See here, it is also occupies two cells, but it has to be in one cell. In that case, before itself what we did, just double click. Now no need to double click, just put the cursor here and drag with the mouse how much we want. Immediately the column width is increased like that. Okay, now here I am going to enter another text. I wear computers. Again it also, see, it occupies also two cells. Okay, but it has to be in one cell. In that case, type 3 is there. This is type 1, this is type 2, this is type 3. This is only double click with the mouse. This is drag with the mouse. Now it is using format menu. So using format menu, here column width option is there. Now see here, column width option is there. So using column width option, we can increase the column width. So just click on the column width. So immediately the column width dialog box is displayed like this. Okay. So default column width is 8.43. Default column width is how much? 8.43. So in that case, we have to change the number. So just I given 18.43. See here, 18.43. Default is 8.43. So I changed it as 18.43 and click on OK. So immediately see, the column width is changed like this. Okay, like that. Like that also, row height also will change. See here. Increase the row height. Increase the row height. See here, how to increase the row height. In that case, just go to format menu. Here row height option is there now. See here, row height option is there now. So just click on it. Immediately the row height dialog box is displayed. So the default row height is how much? 15. The default row height is 15. So I want to change that one. So I change it as 25. Okay. So change as our requirement, no issues. So click on OK. Immediately see the row height is increased like that. Okay. The row height is increased. So see this row is and this row, compare this one. This is increased. Okay. This is one type. Another type is just put the cursor here and drag with the mouse how much you want. Immediately the row height is increased like that. Okay. Next, hide and unhide the rows and columns. So merge and center. Hide and unhide the columns. How to hide, how to unhide the columns, we'll see. Okay. First of all, how to hide the columns. Here our column starts with A. Okay. So you hide any column as your requirement. So I want to hide some A column. Okay. So which column you want to hide, that one you have to select. Which column you want to hide, that one you have to select. Okay. After selecting the column, go to format menu, click on hide and unhide option, click on hide column. See here, click on hide column. Okay. Go to format menu. So click on hide and unhide, click on hide column. Go to format menu, hide and unhide, hide column. So immediately see here. So the A column is in hidden. So starting with B column, B, C, D, E like that. See here. So B, C, D, but there is no A column. A column is in hidden. But how to unhide the column? So you people have one doubt. See here in format menu, here unhide option is there. Unhide column also is there. Unhide option, unhide column option is there. See here. Unhide column option also is there. Whenever we click on this one, so it will unhide, we will see unhide column. So just I click on this one. See here, 1 second. Format, hide and unhide, unhide column. See, so I clicked unhide column. Then also the A column is not in unhide. So what can I do? So whenever we hide the column, after then we have to press Ctrl G from the keyboard. Ctrl G. Okay. Ctrl G. Ctrl G from the keyboard. Ctrl G means go to. Go to. Ctrl G means go to. Click on Ctrl G from the keyboard. Ctrl G. Immediately go to dialog box is displayed like this. See here. Go to dialog box is displayed like this. In this one, reference is there now here. In the reference, we have to enter the cell address. That means columns address. Which one? Hidden. Okay. Those column is hidden. We have to enter the address here. So in the reference, so we hide the column, which one? A1. So I entered A1 like this, and I will click on OK button. OK. Okay. Now go to format menu. It is structured like that, so don't worry, it will take some time. Not every time it will be struck. sometimes it will happen like that. Okay, go to format menu, click on unhide, hide and unhide. Here unhide column is there na, see here unhide column is there na, so format unhide column. See, immediately a column is displayed like this. See here, a column is displayed like this. Okay, so how to hide and unhide? That means if you want to hide, go to format menu, just hide the column. After hide the column, press Ctrl G, go to dialog box. In that one we have to mention the address of the column. Okay, now merge and center. Hide and unhide the rows. So how to hide, how to unhide the rows? So here we learn for hide the columns and unhide the columns. Here hide the rows and unhide the rows. How to unhide rows? How to hide the rows? So which row you want to hide? Just select it like that. Just select it. Okay. Go to format menu. Hide and unhide. Here hide rows is there. See here. Okay. Hide rows. Immediately the row is in hidden. See here. 41, 42, 44. There is no 43 because 43 rows is in hidden. Now how to unhide the row? Again click on Ctrl G. Again click on Ctrl G. Ctrl G for go to. Okay. Click on Ctrl G from the keyboard. So in the keyboard, in the reference, I have to enter the address of the row. So the row address is 43 na. So A43. See here. A43. I entered like this and click on OK. Okay. See here in 42, 44 in between one green line is displayed like this. Okay. Now go to format menu. Okay. Click on unhide rows. Okay. Click on unhide rows. Immediately the row is displayed like this. See here 43, 41, 42, 43, 44 like that. Okay. Like that we can row and column we can hide and unhide. Next, rename the sheet. How to rename the sheet? So I am taking another sheet like this. 3 sheets. I took 3 sheets. Rename the sheet. So here the name of the sheets, what are they here? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But I want to rename the sheets. Okay. Now go to format menu, click on rename sheet. Okay. Rename sheet. Immediately the selected sheet is in selected mode. Okay. Now I am going to enter the name Ravi. So the sheet is renamed sheet 2. So again I want to rename the sheet, means click on here, select the sheet 2 and go to format menu, click on rename sheet. No need. So again just right click with the mouse. Here rename is option is there. See, rename option is there. Right click with the mouse on the sheet. Rename option is there. Just click on it. Rename. So I am going to enter the name. Again here sheet 3. So go to format menu, click on rename sheet. Otherwise just right click with the mouse, rename, otherwise just click on it, just one click. Like that. So just click on it. Now I am going to change the name, Rohan. See here. So like that I renamed all the sheet. Okay. Next, I want to apply the colors to the sheet. So then go to format menu. See here, tab color is there now. So take any one of the color, depend on your requirement, it will apply like that. Otherwise, right click, tab color is there, tab color I applied. Again right click, tab color, click on it one, like that. See here, like that we can apply the colors also. See here. Okay, like that. Next, protect sheet. So this is the protect document we discussed, already we discussed it in the MS Word. So again I want to, now I am going to enter, I am going to discuss again once again, format, protect sheet. Immediately protect sheet dialog box is displayed like that. See here. So in this one we have to enter the password. I am going to enter the password like this and click on OK. Re-enter the password. Again another dialog box is displayed. In this one also we entered like this. Okay. Okay. See, now I am going to enter the text. Immediately the dialog box is displayed, the message is displayed. What is there? The cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Like that message will come. Okay, so we can't able to enter any information in the worksheet because the sheet is in protect. So now I want to unprotect the sheet. Again go to format menu. Here unprotect sheet option is there now. See here, unprotect sheet. So click on here. Click on it. So immediately password it will ask. So I entered the password what I entered before itself. Click on OK. Okay. Now see. So what type of information you want to enter? We can enter the information like that. Okay. Like this. Next, AutoSum. What is AutoSum? Again I am going to take another sheet. Okay, I have entered some numbers here. Like that I entered some numbers. So I want to do AutoSum. So these are all sum I want to do. See, A1 to A11, last cell is A11. Okay, so I selected like this up to 11 rows and I click on AutoSum. Immediately see the answer is displayed in 12th row like that. AutoSum is like that. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you people have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.